Hi, Rose Luna here, and I'd like to show you the Slides Translator add-on. With Slides Translator, you can translate the text on a slide as well as use voice typing. So if you take a look here, I already have it installed. Here's the Translate text box, voice type sidebar, and voice type floating. And with these features, it allows you to not only speak in English, but speak in another language. So if I were to speak in Spanish, it includes the accent marks and makes everything easier. So let's take a look. You go here to the top to add-ons, get add-ons. Here in the search box, you type Slides Translator, and here is the add-on. You click on it. You hit the blue button to install it. Continue. You select your email, allow it to install by clicking the blue button. And now you have the Slides Translator installed. So let's take a look at what it can do. So here is a slide promoting summer reading, and I'd like to translate the text here. So I'm going to click Add-ons. I'm going to go down to Slides Translator, and I'm going to select the first choice, which is Translate Text Box. And what you'll see on the right is a translation box appears. So I'm going to select the text box that I'd like translated on my slide, which is here. You'll see the blue text box has now appeared. I'm going to come here to the right and select the language I'd like to translate to. So let's take a look at Chinese and click the Translate button. Now I have the text in Chinese, and if I wanted to put it here, I could paste it here. Let's try another language. Let's try SP for Spanish. Translate. Okay, so here it says on the slide you can reach the FHS Reads website through the Freeport Public Schools website. I take a look. It says puede acceder al sitio web de FHS Reads a través del sitio web de las Escuelas Públicas de Freeport. So it looks like it's translating okay in Spanish. And so here, once again, I can cut and paste text I'd like, insert it, make this slide a bilingual slide, or I could duplicate this slide and add in Spanish text to the second slide when I'm creating content for my students and they speak multiple languages. But better yet, I can also teach my students and their parents how to install the Slides Translator add-on so that they can use it when they're trying to understand the class content. So let's look at another feature that Slides Translator offers. Voice type sidebar. I'm going to click the text box here on my slide. I'm going to click the microphone. And as I'm speaking, you'll see that the text appears. And if I pause, that text will show up in my text box. There you go. Another feature of the Slides Translator add-on is voice type floating. So if we click here, this appears here as opposed to on the side. And I can speak in English as I did before, but I could also switch the language. So if I have a student that is working on their presentation and they speak Spanish and they're presenting in Spanish, they could click here on the microphone. And because I've set it to Español Mexico, I'm going to speak Spanish. It will recognize my accent marks and the way I'm speaking. So here I'm going to click the microphone. Bienvenidos a la presentación sobre la importancia de leer durante el verano. And when I stop speaking, it goes into the text box I selected. So I'll close this, and here it is. Welcome to this presentation on the importance of reading during the summer. And then I can work on my font. So this is very helpful. You can speak in English, you can speak in many other languages, and what's nice is it puts in the accent marks. Very helpful